Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Twitter. Then in this page we click on force stop. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end of all the steps you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and if it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone to fix that problem you have on Twitter app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.